In today's episode of the Mobile Photography Show, I want to share with you my secret to capturing perfect exposure every time. Now be sure to go watch our full list of tips and tricks by clicking on the playlist linked down below in the description. Let's begin. Now I can't begin to tell you how many times I've gone out and I've taken a photo thinking everything was going to be lit properly, and then when I'm going through my photos later, I see that either the sky was too bright or maybe the shadows were too dark and there's no detail. So making sure that you take photos with the right exposure is really important because, yeah, you could photo edit and try and brighten up the scene, but there's only so much your photo editing software can do. So what helps is to take multiple photos at different exposures, and I want to show you that right now. So here's this video of me early in the morning looking at this awesome sunrise, and what we're going to do is hold down on the screen on our subject, and this is going to lock the auto exposure and the auto focus, so we have control over that. And then what we're going to do is you're going to take a photo, and then you're going to slide your finger down to change the exposure and take another photo, and then slide your finger down and take another photo, and then brighten it up and take another photo. And you're going to keep doing this until you get tons of different exposures of your shot. Now that I have multiple photos with multiple exposures, I don't have to worry about the shot. I know that whatever I took, whether it was glare on my screen or whatnot, I know that I got a good shot that I can work with and edit. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next video.